Not often I do 2 lives in one day, but just I got something special I want to show you. So I want to show you how this magic actually works. You can watch it with me live. So I was in a trade earlier today, and I'm just going to make this this screen a little bit bigger so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. I'm going to use a rewind tool as well. So there we go. I'm a bit smaller and the picture's a bit bigger. All right. This is where I had a trade earlier in the day, okay? So I'm trading off this demand zone. I was bullish this morning, only short term though. I only wanted a little sneaky little trade. So you can see here, I got wicked into the trade, which is what I was hoping or expecting to happen. Just here, those wicks. So that tapped in and got me into the trade, okay? Now, I watched the trade get up to here, okay? And, sorry, my mouse just played up for a second. I watched the trade get up to here, and then I saw these wicks to the downside. So I thought, yep, we're still going in the direction that I want to go, okay? I was still happy there. But then I didn't get to check this trade all day. Ren was using the computer. So I come back in, and luckily enough for me, I saw a bit of this action happening. All right. So what I saw was we've come down here, which is this trend line. I'll zoom out so you can see. So this trend line. Now, I've got a favorite setup, which I call a multiple touch breakout. So that's when price keeps on hitting a trend line or support or resistance multiple times and looks like it's getting stronger towards that. So you can see here, right, we've had a bounce into this trend line, come up, a bounce in this trend line, come up, and then a bounce in this trend line. So I've seen this happen a number of times. I know that probability suggests that we're going to break that trend line, okay? So that was an invalidation for me. Now, because I was in this position, I saw this, well, there's also market structure. We're going with lower highs, and even though we're getting these higher lows, we're going with lower highs. So to me, this was invalidation. So I found one more thing which really got me questioning the first trade, and that was this inverted hammer here. See this massive wick to the upside? So what that's there for is to encourage longs, people who think that off this trend line, we're going to go long. So they expect that we've bounced here and gone up. They think we're going to bounce again and go up. But it's a bit of time in the market, and I've seen that it's not always, some of these games can be a bit manipulated, so it doesn't always work out that way. So anyway, this trade here, I closed it out. I was a little bit above break even. It wasn't anything special to talk about. But immediately, right? Immediately straight after that, I saw something exciting. Now, I'm going to use this replay tool, if I can bring it up again. So where is it? I'll make it, yeah, 1 times. All right. So I'll use the replay tool, okay? And I saw this. Okay. Oops. Excuse me, fumbling with that. All right, let's do that again. Okay. So what I saw was this. Now, the place that I learned to trade, this is significant. We call that a BEC candle, brother engulfing candle. So that is a typical market maker move. There's some strength, some big players involved in this candle here that's broken structure, right? So this magic here quite often means that we're going to see further continuation to the downside, okay? Now, I've been playing around a lot with fibs, which is something you might not know about, but you can learn about all this stuff. But so I set a target up here to enter the trade. So even though the candles come down here, I don't want to enter down here. That's a terrible price, okay? I want to get a really good price. I want to get a good entry. So I've entered up here, all right, at the 61.8 fib level. That's what I'm hoping. I'm expecting price to come back to that area, okay? So I might see if I can slow it down a little bit. Now, you can see here, what price does. It's not playing ball for me. But you can see here with this wick, okay, that price come up and it tapped me in, just tapped me in, okay, just there. It's tapped in. So I've got that entry. And then within a matter of minutes, I've got my 3-to-1 risk to reward on that trade. So that means that for every dollar I risked, I make $3 on that. So just from seeing this one candle set up here, all right, I've tripled my money. So that's pretty cool if you ask me. And no, it's not a magic trick. It's technical analysis, and it can be learnt, can be taught. It's not easy, but well worth it. Well worth the reward. All right, guys, I will see you on the next video. Catch ya.